Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today again we are here to discuss one of an important function in Excel, how to find and remove the duplicates in the columns. So let's begin. If you see, I have one column with the name of the project owners, which include multiple names coming again and again. If you see this, Nikki Grant, this is coming twice, Scarlett's this coming twice, Vinita Joy it's coming twice. So I want to remove these duplicates. Okay, let's first learn how to find how many duplicates are there in this column. So we'll do this by selecting column B. Okay, then I will go to the tab home, and then there is an option conditional formatting, and there is an again an option called highlight cells rules, and you have to select duplicate values. So once you select this, the names which are coming multiple times get highlighted. See format cells that contains duplicate or unique. If you want unique, then you can select unique, which is single, and if you want to highlight duplicate, then you can select duplicate, and you can give any color. Like currently it is red, we can give yellow, we can give green, we can give red fill with border with red text, or you can custom format as per your convenience. So what I will do is I will select light red. Okay, I will click OK. So these are the project owners names which are coming duplicate in my column. Now the next step is how to remove these duplicate items from the column. So this is also again an important function, because in the large volume data we have this issue where we have multiple names coming again and again in the column, and we want only single name separate. So let's do how to remove the duplicates. So we will select column B, and we will go to the data, and here is an option called remove duplicates. So I will select this, and then you can select all the data. If you want to unselect anything, you can unselect, and the column name is project owner. If there are multiple columns, you can select multiple columns, but currently I am having only one column, so it's only the project owner. So I will select project owner and click OK. So you can see here the message appears in the dialog box that 5 duplicates value found and removed. So these are the 5 names which are coming duplicate and has been removed, and remaining 13 uniques value remain as is. So that's it in this video. We have now learned how to find and remove the duplicates in an Excel. You can do it with the multiple columns as well. I hope you like this video. So for these kinds of videos and new tips and tricks in Excel or any other Microsoft related queries, you can subscribe to our channel. Till then, good day, goodbye. Meet you in our next video. Till then, enhance your skills. Bye bye.